What's up, YouTube? You guys know I got the BakFlip. As you can see, after about 8 years of ownership, this starts to wear off, right? So it looks kind of nasty. You know, it still serves its purpose, you know. After about 7, 8 years, I've had this BakFlip Revolver X2. As you can see, this is the wear and tear on it. It's not bad, you know. Let me hold this regular way. So as you can see, not bad, decent. It still keeps water out, believe it or not. It's still, the seals are nice and tight, still no water gets in. But you know, after a while, she starts to show her age. Luckily the straps are still decent, you know, they still hold strong. But the cover right there that's hanging down, that's supposed to protect your hands when you're rolling this up in the summer and it's really hot. This metal gets really hot. So this helps you to roll it all the way up. But, you know, haven't found a workaround for that yet, but when I do, I'll let y'all know. But just a quick review of the BakFlip. Overall, still a great addition to the truck. It's about $700 I paid for that when it first came out. I have no regrets on it, but you know, just a quick little overview.